everyone. Today is Mother's Day. Today I am going to recite a poem written by me. Can you guess who I am dedicating this poem to? Huh? Yes, you are absolutely right. I am dedicating this poem to my mom. In fact, this poem is dedicated to all the moms in the world. So, a very happy Mother's Day to all the moms. This poem is titled Happy Mother's Day. Today is the Mother's Day, which comes every May. Let us help our mothers and make it a special day. Mother is a special person, never stops till work is done. She tries to help us the most, even if she has to run. A mother uses all her might to ensure we do the right. She puts all her efforts in us so that we reach a new height. A mother always does sacrifice, loves us for our virtue and vice. Mother's love is the greatest. It has no comparison, no price. No comparison, no price. So, I hope you liked the poem and the recitation. Do like the video and subscribe to the channel School is Cool. Also, tell me in the comments how you felt about this video. Thank you.